Raindrops don't look like teardrops at all. Instead, they're shaped more like tiny hamburger buns as they fall from the sky. That classic teardrop shape you see in cartoons and logos? Total myth. Here's what actually happens. When a raindrop forms high up, it really does start off round, thanks to surface tension holding it together. But as it plummets through the air, the bottom flattens out and the sides bulge, kind of like a mini burger bun or a jelly bean. The reason for this squished look comes from the air pressure pushing up against the bottom of the drop while gravity pulls it down. The bigger the drop, the more dramatic the hamburger bun effect. If it gets too big, it'll even split apart before hitting the ground. So next time you see rain falling, picture thousands of fluffy little buns tumbling from the clouds instead of a sky full of teardrops. The real shape of a raindrop is a science twist most people never see coming.